Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to Going Down the Mountainside. So going down the mountainside is strong, challenging, and there's multiple ways you can get into it. One way, you can just get into it, meaning you can have one top, one bottom spring on. You can just come onto your chair, pivot this foot, and then step up, go into it. You can also go into it from being in going upside, right? So meaning you're here, you did your going upside, you just get low and you start pumping. Okay, that's an option. All right. Another way into this is to do your press down crossover right here. So you push the foot down, you stay on the pedal, you lift it up. Obviously, this is a more advanced way of doing it. So if you're looking at this video from the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcard deck, we said to do it from going upside, right? Just because you're already set up, I just like to move this foot from being over here to just a little bit more centered, okay? Just so my center of gravity is more over this pedal. So it's tempting to stick that booty out. You can have the arms doing whatever you need. If you're very new to this and you want to hold the gondola pole, go right ahead. But ideally the arms are here. I'm going to stand in this leg, lift my heart, and then pick the pedal up and then pump. So I've got this foot parallel because that's how I probably would step down a mountain on the side. If you need to do your foot turn out on the ball of it, you can. It's a little more precarious. It's not how you'd actually walk down the mountain, but it's an option, right? And then to dismount, you can just take your foot down, do a crossover, or hands on the chair is safer, step all the way down. If you have questions about any of our flashcards or anything we do at onlinepilatesclasses.com, let us know in the comments below.